Hello, everyone. Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Outlier Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the bell line. Let me come over, put in a fold, bring it over to the center, bring it around like this. Come back across. Come back across like this. This is what we have. We're going to do a wreath right here. And we're going to bring it over this center part right here. And then back around like this. Continuing with the wreath. Come across like this. And then down like this. Let me put my collar down. Fix this. So there we have it. And you want to see the picture of this? Go to Instagram, Simmonsessentials. On your own style, my friends, your favorite thing wanted to be made. Make some quick adjustments. There you have it. Peace and God bless.